Welcome back to Honeymood Meditations. My name is Shavika, and this is a mindful meditation focusing on the vagus nerve. The goal of this meditation is to help you connect with and experience the vagus nerve. For those of you that don't know, the vagus nerve is the longest nerve that runs from your brain down to your body. Accessing this powerful nerve not only reduces stress and anxiety in your mind and in your body, but it will also lead you to long-term improvements in your mood, pain management, well-being, and give you a tool to use anytime you find yourself stressed out or with tightness in the body. There's some reason you've stumbled upon this meditation. I'm so grateful. May it offer you peace, ease, and bring love to your body. When you're ready, take a few moments and find a comfortable seated position. In a chair or on a cushion on the ground. You can also lie down or practice standing up, whatever's comfortable to you. Once you're settled, allow your eyes to close or cast your gaze downwards. I'll now guide you into the 5 physical sense doors. Tune into the places where your body makes contact with the ground. Feel the ground supporting you. Sit with an upright spine like a tree. Spread your collarbones, stretching out like you have wings. Let your shoulders relax away from your ears. Rest your hands in a comfortable position, maybe on your lap or on your legs. And now ask yourself inwardly, what's the temperature on your skin? Notice the sensation of the clothes on your skin. With your eyes remaining closed or that gaze downwards, notice the amount of light filtering through your eyelids. What flavors do you taste in your mouth? Maybe some flavors linger from a meal or a drink that you had recently. What are the smells coming in through your nostrils? Check in with any sounds inside and outside the room. Don't try to label the sounds. Rather, notice how sounds can rise and fade, perhaps quite quickly. Now, invite some ease to your facial muscles. Allow your eyeballs to sink into their sockets. Relax your forehead and your scalp. Let your tongue relax. And now, bring your tongue to the roof of your mouth and move your tongue until it hits this soft and fleshy bit. Meet your soft palate. See if you can relax and bring ease into this area. Invite some space here. Relax the root of your tongue and down into your throat. Feel your chest area. Can you soften the front and back ribs? Now tune in to the gravity around you. Allow it to help your diaphragm fall downwards. Notice your belly rising and falling. Invite ease into your belly using your breath. Now, I want to invite you to tune in to your nervous system. Here you'll find a nerve. It connects from your belly up through your chest, throat, and face to your brain. Meet your vagus nerve. This is a doorway into self-awareness and self-care. Let's tune inwards into this area and invite ease in. You may notice a softer breath, more spacious area in your chest and your heart space. Maybe a sense of being more present and grounded, a calmer mind. Whatever is here, just notice. Let it be here. Become an observer of your breath. Let your breath come and go without trying to change it. Breath after breath. Each time you notice that your mind is wandering, thinking, planning, doubting, it's an opportunity to be present with yourself and notice the sensations along your vagus nerve. When your attention wanders, simply and gently bring it back, remembering that each time you notice your attention has wandered, it's an opportunity to grow. And each time you usher mindful awareness back home to your breath and your body, you're strengthening your ability to focus, breath after breath. For the last couple of minutes of this practice, notice the effects of the meditation. Perhaps there's more ease and space. Maybe there's more space in the chest and rib cage. Maybe the facial muscles have relaxed. Whatever is or isn't there, let it be. May the benefits of this practice bring ease, peace, and freedom from suffering to you and to all sentient beings. May all be loved and know they are loved. Take a moment to thank yourself for practicing today and taking the time to develop your inner knowing. When you're ready, gently and slowly deepen your inhalations and exhalations. At the very end of an exhalation, just as you begin to inhale, gently open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. Please comment below on what you noticed, and I'm looking forward to seeing you back here tomorrow.